Hi, I am Virendra Jagdale and I am showing you the demo of Minesweeper, the assignment as part of Introduction to Artificial Intelligence CS50 Project 1 knowledge. As part of this demo, I am supposed to have all the moves done by AI. So when we are starting, initially initially there is no knowledge base for AI, and based on this AI will do some random move. So even based on this move also, AI will not able to get any specific knowledge to decide whether any safe move. So again next move will be random move. This one also there is no specific knowledge about the safe move. Okay, so now AI got zero mine sale. So based on this, AI will able to decide the safe moves. So these moves are now safe moves. So I am just clicking on AI move to just proceed. So all these moves are made by AI based on the knowledge, and all these are safe moves. And it looks like now AI will able to find most of the mines. Yeah, and finally AI uncovered all the mines in this particular game. So let's try one more time. So this is also random move, and okay, so here AI is not able to find any safe move, so it has some random move, and because of that it put a step on mine. So let's do it one more time. Okay, so first move itself it is random move and it is unsafe on mines. So let's do fourth time. Okay, so here AI has done some move which is safe, and based on that AI will able to identify safe moves. So if I continue, I am keeping on pressing AI move, and looks like now AI will able to uncover all the mines. Yes, yeah. This is the demo, and thank you.